SBET Stock Analysis. This is for next week and onward. I'm breaking down my exact play and everything for 9th of June. So let's get into it. I'm actually, this could be a very exciting week. We could definitely just juice it even more up because it was a crazy previous week. And all that to say, because I am the only guy that has done 41,000 videos like this and actually been in the trenches, and I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and more so the people that have been watching me have also seen it over 5 years. Ultimately, I called out at least this small little call out here that I capitalized on. LSP reached the top. It's 10 days back, $30.30 at the time. Then came down. The only thing that I want to see is the confirmation. And if I do see this, bro, I'm just going to be willing to buy more. Like, I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, but I'm not going to be that guy. I'm just going to keep it straight up. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.